The following video is suitable for all audiences. Minors do projects under adult supervision.
Alexa, switch on the Wi-Fi light.
Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to review Magic Home Wi-Fi LED controller. This works with Alexa and Google Home. So let's get started. I bought this from AliExpress, and this is not a sponsor video, and it took me 2 weeks and until I received it. So now let's see what's inside.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
So you get one 3M tape, one instruction manual, and the Wi-Fi controller. As far as I can say, it's the best alternative for all the expensive Wi-Fi LEDs you get in the market, the E-Light and the Philips Hue. So before going any further, I want to see what's inside. It was really easy to open the controller from the casing using a plectrum, but just be careful of the thin wires. You don't want them to be desoldered, otherwise you have to solder them back again. This controller uses a ESP8285 mod, and this model is for WS2812 and WS2811 chip, and they are mostly in the pixel LEDs. Don't try to connect anything above 5 volts, otherwise you may blow it up. There are other models available for 50/50 and even other kinds of LEDs, so you can check their website and see what is best for you. First, download the Magic Home app from the Play Store or the Apple Store. Then you need to register with the app using your email address, and after that you connect the controller to the 5 volts rail and then open the app. You need to switch off your mobile data on the phone and click on the plus icon, and then you'll see add device. The app will search for the LED controller. Click on the LED controller, what you see in the list. Just need to give the permission to the controller to get connected to your own Wi-Fi network. Select in the Wi-Fi network in the list, enter your Wi-Fi key. You can change the name of the device. I named it as Wi-Fi Lite. Switch on the mobile data back again, and then you will see your Wi-Fi Lite under devices. Then click on that light. Select the desired light model. So I selected WS2812 RGB, as I'm using a 19 LED rail. You can click on the functions, and there are many variations with speed control as well. There's this RGB ring which you can use, which you can change the color of the LED to whatever color you like.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah.
In the functions, there are more than 100 variations. There's also an option of custom. In the custom mode, you can definitely set up all the individual patterns. You can create your own patterns.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
You can search and you can select your desired mode. You can circulate all the modes. Color changes gradually. Running lights with different colors, and even strobe mode. And there is also an option of custom mode. If you're getting bored, then you can directly skip to 12 minutes 10 seconds. There I'll show how to connect the device to Alexa. also a select music mode wherein you can put in your selected music. Not try that because I don't keep any music in my phone. So there's also one camera mode wherein you select the camera and you can point your camera to a desired color and the LEDs will shift to that color. To reset the Wi-Fi controller, power on and off 3 times and the Wi-Fi controller will reset, and then you'll have to go through the same settings again. Since I already have Echo Dot and Fire Stick, I already have the Alexa app. You can download the Alexa app from the respective stores and register the Amazon ID with the Alexa app. Then go to the devices and then scroll down. There you will see enable smart skills, and then go and search Magic Home, and then you'll see an option to enable to use. Enter your same username and password you had used in the Magic Home app, and then click on Discover Devices. Then click on Discover Devices and your Wi-Fi light is set up. You can select any color you want for the light. You can also switch it on and off using the app or using your Fire Stick, remote, or you can use your Echo Dot devices.
Alexa, switch on the Wi-Fi light. Alexa, change the color of the Wi-Fi light to blue. Alexa, dim the Wi-Fi light to 10%.
Sorry, what device?
The Wi-Fi light. Alexa, increase the brightness of the Wi-Fi light to 100%.
Last but not the least, the music mode, and the LEDs blink as per the microphone sensitivity. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions or if you want me to review more of such products, then please let me know in the comments below. Take care. Bye.